Hi friends, thank you all so much for coming back to craft with me today, and welcome if you're new to my channel. My name is Alyssa, and today I'm going to show you how I made this loaded bag folio in a Christmas theme, of course. So for this one here, I used this same paper that I've shown before on my channel that I got at a garage sale. I used this one specifically because it was double-sided. And for this project, I mean, double-sided paper will make your life a little easier, but you'll see for today, I'm going to do single-sided paper. So anyway, I'll just quickly show you what this looks like. I just stamped Christmas and added that to the front on this little label, and I added some trim to the side. And we'll open this up, and I just have some writing space over here. I made a little pocket on this side with a tag and a little journaling card. And then this, I guess we'll go this way first. So this flips out. Here I have a side pocket, but I also added this little pocket too with a tag inside and a snowman here for some decoration. In this side pocket, I have this card. We wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. So this could be a journaling card, or you could put a photo on the back. I have more writing space, and I used some scrap strips to just make a frame around it. And I added an ornament sticker as well. And now we'll go on to this side. So this panel also flips out. Same thing over here. I have a side pocket and then just glued another pocket to it. Well, this one I kind of cut into a tag shape. And I have this little card in here that says Jingle Bells. I added some of this silver trim as well to that pocket. And then I have this card. It says Warm Wishes. And then this flips out again too. So I left this part blank for a photo. And then over here, I just have some writing space with a little Santa sticker. So we have these two panels. They both fold out. This is very big. But now we'll go to the center here where our loaded bag is. So we have this pocket first. I have this card, Holly Berries. You could even write a little message in the wreath or something like that. And then the loaded bag is in the very back here. So this is all I had in my kitchen at the moment to put inside of here. I mean, maybe you do want to give someone microwave popcorn during the holidays, but I just taped this little bow to the top there so that it could obviously poke out. And let me just open my bag there. So you have all the space here to put still smaller items, but they can be a bit bulkier. So you could put your hot chocolate packs, maybe some peppermint sticks or a chocolate stirring spoon. All kinds of things can go in the back there, or you can just stick more photos, journaling cards, and things like that. And then we just fold it back up like so. And this is what it looks like from all different angles. So this one's really fun to make. So go ahead and grab some paper and I'll show you how to make one. For today's loaded bag folio, I am going to be using this paper pad here called Mittens and Mistletoe. And I got this at a store called Ollie's. It was like $5. So I thought that was a really great deal. And then of course you're going to need a paper bag, which you can obviously use any sort of paper bag that you have. But I'm just going to recreate mine exactly how I did it. So I used these paper bags from the Dollar Tree. The size is right here, but it's just like a standard brown paper lunch bag. So I'm going to take one of those and I'm going to basically fold the bottom part here up just like you would do with the loaded bag. But I'm going to bring it up a little bit more until my bag here is about 6 inches tall. And that's just preference. So I'm kind of just going to line it up here and then fold it over until it's 6 inches tall. Okay, just like this. And now I'm going to just set this bag aside, and I am going to grab just one sheet of 12 by 12 paper. So again, this one's single-sided, and I'm just going to cut this in half horizontally. So we've got two 12 by 6 sheets now. And I'm going to score both of mine on the blank side. So at this point, you really just want to be mindful of your print and decide what print you want where. And I'll show you how mine kind of turns out when I score on both of my blank sides. So at the 12-inch side, we're just going to score at 1/2 inch, 5.5, and 10. So 1/2 inch, 5.5, and then 10. And then I'm going to do that to my other sheet here. Okay, so 1/2 inch, 5.5, and 10. Okay, so I'm going to take one of those sheets, and I'll start by folding my little 1/2 inch tab here. So the 1/2 inch tab is going to get glued into the gusset here of our paper bag. So it'll get attached that way on the inside there. And then we're going to have this score line and then this one. So this little section we're going to turn into a pocket, and you could fold it either way, really. So you could fold it this way or this way. I'm just going to fold it this way for now since I'm single-sided. And then this score line we can just fold over as well. And that'll be a little flip out page. So why don't we just go ahead and glue this into our paper bag first. So I'm going to pop some glue here on my tab and just stick it inside. Now when you go to glue this into the gusset of the paper bag, you want to make sure that you leave some space. So don't like push it all the way to the score line. See how there's a little space between the score line and the paper bag here? That's just so everything can close up nicely. So kind of just test it out. So it'll open like that, and then again like that. All right, and then we're just going to pretty much do the same to this other 12 by 6, but I'm going to flip it over now to my printed side. And same thing. This tab's going to go into the other gusset here. So I'm actually just going to glue it right now, and then we'll fold it. So just take that tab and stick it inside. Again, just give yourself some space. So now it's hard to see, but we have a score line here that we're just going to fold over. And then this little section becomes a pocket. So again, fold it whichever way you want. You can go this way or that way. I'm going to do this. And then just kind of fold everything over. Make sure that everything is a good fit. And I put this panel over top, but you can do it the other way if you want. Now, you can see on my side here that this edge comes up a little short. So if that bothers you, you can just put some trim on the side like I did with my first one, or even just glue another little scrap strip of paper as decoration on the side. But that's pretty much how we assemble our little folio here. And then I'm going to just glue down my pockets. Of course, if you have single-sided paper and you want to cover up your backgrounds, you can do that. But I think for my pockets, at least, I'm just going to glue them down. So there's that one, and this one I'm going to glue this way. So if you want to cover up your paper bag, you can do that too, or I kind of just like it as it is. But these are the sized papers that I'm going to be using. So this one here is just going to cover up this whole panel. It is 4 7/8 by 4.5. So that's just a little bit less than 5 inches across. And then to cover up this background, and then I also cover up the very back here of my bag, I'm going to use 2 of these. Those measure 4 7/8 by 6. So you'll need 2 of those. Now I'm going to start with this one here, which is that size, and I'm just going to glue it on. And technically you don't need this whole sheet to cover up this spot because the pocket's getting glued over top, but just to give the bag a bit more stability, maybe you want to do the whole sheet. So I'll pop that over top. And then I'm going to glue this whole pocket down. So just going to glue the 2 sides here. So that side and this side. And bring that up. Okay, and I'll flip this over and put my other sheet here of this size on the back. All right, so that's pretty much the assembly all set. Super cute and festive. And then I am going to cover up just these 2 panels. So These ones you can also make 4 7/8 by 6, or 5 by 6 is fine too. So I'm just going to use the same paper and cover that up. And then I'll probably do all of my decorating off camera because that could take me quite a while. So I will be right back to show you the finished result. So here is how mine turned out. I kept it fairly simple. I have this label that says handmade for you, and I added some of this pink tinsely trim to the side there. And when you open it up, I just put this little journaling card here. This tag is a tuck spot, and I added a bow there. And I just made this little, it kind of stuck to my paper there, but I made this little Christmas tree journaling card, I guess it could be, and I glued a star bead at the top there. Kind of hard to see, and I guess it got stuck to the paper, but that's okay. Just cover that up for now. But let's flip this open. I had my side pocket here, and I have happiness and cheer in there. This would be a cute little journaling card, or you could put a photo back there. And then I have this sheet here that says sleigh bells and a cute little sticker. And then I did turn this into a pocket because of course I had single-sided paper and I thought I would just do that for this panel. So that's what you can see from the front, but it's just this little tag and it says, "'Tis the season to be jolly." So I put it this way just so the print can show from the front. But that is that side, and then over here we'll flip this out, and then I have this side pocket. Don't stop believing in Santa Claus. Cute little card there that I made. That flips out, and again I left this panel blank for a photo, plus this paper is so pretty. And then some more writing space over here with a snowman sticker. And then in the center, I have Make It Merry in this little frame. And this pocket, of course, holds this little journaling card with Santa on it. I thought that was so cute. And then, of course, we cannot forget the paper bag in the back. So, again, put whatever kind of gifts you want in the back. Here's my microwave popcorn. So that can get stuck in the back there, and that's going to complete this folio. So I hope that you guys enjoyed it. A little loaded bag and folio all in one. Perfect little gift for any holiday. But don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel for more crafty fun and inspiration, and leave me a comment down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's Christmas in July projects. So I will see you next week for some more fun ideas. And until then, happy crafting and huge hugs to all of you.